Hi everyone, I'm Seán Gavin here from Detroit, Michigan at McNeela Music in Dublin, and I'm very happy to be here. And today we're going to be talking about the McNeela African Blackwood Flute. It's quite a nice, rich tone to it. It's got a lined head joint, a tuning slide. The body is one piece, and then there's the foot joint, which is another separate piece. And each joint and tenon is corked, which makes the joints swell up and fit very nicely for an airtight seal. And it's quite a nice flute. I'm gonna play a tune on it for you called The Wind That Shakes the Barley. It's quite nice to play. It doesn't take a whole lot of air. It feels like a cross between a Rudel and a Pratten in the hole size. And yeah, it's quite a nice flute. The lined head joint provides a different tone, a little bit less of the woodiness, but you still really do get a very earthy kind of a tone out of it. So quite like it.